So, good morning, Bitalan Tutor students.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, before we start with our lesson, please stand up and may I request Mr. Rimran to lead the prayer in front.
Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of God. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
You may now take your seat. So, for now, I will be checking up the attendance. Instead of saying present, just tell me who is absent today. Miss Lainey, kindly type the absent. Who is absent here? Alahas, Sasam, Basas, Larona, Martínez, Martina, Infante, Larona, Membrano, Verbo. Yes, Membrano.
Basan.
Okay, that's all? Okay, so, para ma-awake ang inyong mind, let's stand up again and let's do an energizer. Okay. Stand up fast. Then, the step is saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagkaluhaluin, pagkaluhaluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay. Do you get it? Say 1, 2, 3, go. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagkaluhaluin, pagkaluhaluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, faster. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagkaluhaluin, pagkaluhaluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, thank you. So everyone is awake and ready to our topic. So, before we start, I would like to ask question about our previous topic. Who can give me or who can explain what topic that we discussed earlier? May I call on Mr. Misa to share your thoughts about the topic earlier?
So our topic earlier is all about proper tool maintenance. So it applies proper tool usage or proper tool maintenance in order to avoid injuries and corrosion of the tools, and also it is linked to occupational health and safety about the proper tool maintenance.
Okay, very good. At dahil dyan, meron ka Pakbet Club. So, what is Pakbet Club? Nanira ni siya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bet na bet! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bet na bet! Okay, very good. So, now we have our classroom rules. So our classroom rules acronym is LEARN, meaning learn. So L stands for listen carefully. Pay attention to your teacher and classmates to understand instructions and lessons. So E stands for encourage others. Support and motivate your classmates by being kind and helpful. So A, ask question. Don't be afraid to ask questions when you don't understand the lesson or something
back and forth here.
Wow.
So we have a jumble words here. I will call 3 students to identify or observe what letter is writing or written here in front. So who wants or you want to volunteer? Okay, Mr. Dizon, Miss Lucernas, and last one. Who wants to? Okay, Mr. Darrell, it seems like you are sleepy. So let's go now. Okay, I will give you some 1 minute to identify what letter is it.
Identify
You
the
will go.
letter.
Oh, identify the words. Sorry.
Sorry.
Arrange the letters.
I arrange the eyes. Sorry.
Oh, sino na eh, mga gubak ka rin eh. Gubak ka rin eh.
May pasabog na rin yung kautan.
Double P.
No, coach.
Eh,
Okay, next. Miss Lucernas. Then followed by Mr. Cabuguason.
Makulay ko ay di panada.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lucernas. So, Mr. Last one. Okay, very good. So, na-unlock na nila ang ato. New word unlocked in our topic. So, we have cutting, drilling, and filing. So, thank you, Mr. Dizon, Mr. Cabuguason, and Miss Lucernas. So, we have cutting, drilling, and filing. So, cutting is separating metal into smaller parts using cutting tools. So, drilling is creating holes in metal using drill or drill bit. So, we were discussing that. And filing is smoothing or shaping metal surfaces using file. So, I have here a picture, and you will observe and explain what is this used for. If pang-cutting ba, filing, or drilling. So, who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? Please raise your hands. Okay. It seems okay. Mr. Misa.
Mia, isa.
Pwede po, di mo na siya daw.
Akso, gawas po tao. Yun na. Tawagin na. Then, last 5, pangpahangis na natin dyan. Then, ang kinahandle yung tambangan sa buwan. Tambangan.
Asa na lang dyan? Asa na siya nabilaw?
Sa buwan, drilling.
Drilling. Okay, and
Yung
then?
cutting ng hakso, the drilling to, the ganang flat file sa filing.
Very good. At dahil dyan, meron ka the best clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're the best. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're the best. na-identify naman ni Mr. J as an siya na kuan, na belong, then I will ask you some question. So, the question is, what do you think is the purpose of hakso? If namati mo ni Sir J kaniha. What do you think is the purpose of hakso? Say, raise your hands if you want to answer. What do you think is the purpose of hakso? Kina? Okay.
So the purpose of household is to like it is identify as cutting. So according to the cutting, it should you cut having another tool or particles or information how you're going to use it. Use it.
Okay, very good. At dahil dyan, meron ka Cardo, Dalisay, Cloud. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Tama ba? Ade.
Then, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then, okay. So next is, why do we need to file metal after cutting? So why do we need to file the metal after cutting? So nganong kinahanglan man nato i-file? Okay. Ate,
Okay, let me start with the purpose of flat tire is to shape and smoothen metal surfaces, and it's very important to prevent any accidents like lacerations.
okay. Very good. Very well said. Okay, at dahil dyan, Ate Lea, meron ka overwhelm clap. Okay, so, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, overwhelm. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, overwhelm. Very good. So, before we start with our main topic, I want you to listen to me. And I have some song that hinanin niya siya. When I say, everybody eyes on me, you say, eyes on you. If you hear me clap once, then clap once more. Then if you hear me clap twice, may clap twice, mo clap twice, and so on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Everybody, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
If you hear me clap once. If you hear me clap twice. If you hear me clap thrice. If you hear me, copy me. Okay. So now, we are moving on our metal working processes. That is our topic. We have cutting, filing, and drilling. So here's our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the different metal working processes, cutting, filing, and drilling. So next, identify the tools used in cutting, filing, and drilling metal. So lastly is demonstrate the basic steps and safety practices in performing metal working processes. So, nanay mga pipintita na, naka-open na mo? Okay, very good. So, we have here metal working processes. Is the process of shaping, cutting, and modifying metal materials to create useful objects and parts. These processes are widely used in industries such as construction, automotive, and manufacturing and engineering. Through metal working, raw materials can be transformed into tools, machine, part furnitures, and building structures na magamit nato in our daily lives. So, ang metalworking processes is dili pa dahil siya kanang fully shaped na siya. It is from a raw materials na need nato siya i-shape sa atong gusto nga buhaton. For example, naa kay taas nga metal and ganahan ka maghimo og mga butanganan sa imong mga shoes. Then imo to siya i-cut into pieces. Mo na ang metalworking processes. Diya na musod ang katong usually the first step in many metalworking projects because materials must be cut before they can be shaped or assembled. So if nakabantay mo sa mga construction or sa mga maghimong balay, di ba? Ang una nilang kuan is, yes, mag-measure sa sila, then inigumat sa measure, then they will cut the desired design nga, or detail, hindi mo silang buy. Diya, kanang taas ra ang ilang haligi. Then they will cut it para maunsa man si Jakim. Kimi, maunsa man si Jam. Diba, o maghimo kag buy. Anong need man nato si Jam ikat? Para
para sa measurement, una is para sa measurement. And also, in terms of kuan, syempre ang mga materials, like for example, ang wood, kung dili na nimo sukton siya or diretso na nimo build with buy, may possibilities na ang buy is dili stable. That's why we need this kind of tools in order to maintain the structure stable, and also para for kuan foundation na po para mas ligon siya na more.
okay, very good. So, we are moving on. The common tools and equipment for cutting. Nakasunod ra. So, we have hacksaw. So, a hand tool used for cutting metal pipes, rods, and then thin metal sheets. It has a fine-tooth blade designed specifically for cutting metal. So, if nakapamilyar mo sa hacksaw, mao ni siya ang gamiton sa mga mag-belt o mga buy or sa kuan, mga construction nga kuan. Then naa sila'y gabson nga metal. Mao ni ilang gamiton para mapadali ra ang ilang pagtrabaho. And it is very kanang important po para sa hilaha para dili na pud siya mo cost of time, and also kanang if naay mga daghang kuan or mga baga na nga mga metal is makagamit sila inani. So next is metal shears. So used for cutting thin metals, sheets such as aluminum or tin. So nakakuan mo ani kanang gunting bitaw si nga dako nga gamiton nato si sa mga scene kana sa mga scene para flat scene para oh yes. Kay kung mogamit lang tag mga ordinary nga gunting, dili ka kaduot. Okay. So that's why naa si Jai appropriate nga tools para jud sa inana nga mga butang. Para pod dili si Jai hassle no. So next is angle grinder. So kailan mo usa ng angle grinder? So mura na okay, yes, okay, very good. So a power tool used for cutting thicker metal materials. Mo na ni ang kadto. Kung sa hacksaw is katurang mga thin ra nga mga metal ang pwedeng ma-cut. While sa angle grinder is diha na ang mga thick kay na naman sa force. Then you need to wear safety goggles para ang mga kuan sa singanani sa mga small particles manglagpot sa imong mata and basin. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay. So ang last na cutting is ang bench vise. A holding tool used to secure a metal while cutting. So, unsa man dai ni ang bench vise? So, it is a kanang mag-hold siya sa metal. Okay? Para mo-compress, para di siya muluhag while cutting. Okay, very good. Mr. Linling, namati yun siya. Okay? So, it is very useful. It is because ganang useful man siya, Darren. Okay, stand up. Why is it useful man ang bench vise? Inig mag-cutting ta.
For example, gani, kay clip sa gani lang sa metal gani. And then, may possibility kung dili mo ibutang niya, kung mahulukag o katong metal na imong cut, she's fun na dangerous siya. Kay for example, kay mamali ka, masikya kung cut, kung ato sa imong nail or sa kuan. So mas gamit ka sa bench.
Bench.
Kay to hold kuan, imong i-cut kuan metal.
Okay, very good. Bigyan natin siya ng isang bagsak. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So, unsa ang common tools sa cutting? We have hacksaw, metal shears, angle grinder, and lastly, bench vise. Okay, that's all. Then we moving on the importance of. So the importance of cutting is it helps workers prepare the metal to the correct size and shape needed for a project. Okay, I hope you understand my topic and let's proceed to the next reporter. Okay, thank you.
Ano ba imong gab?
Mga bata.
So next is all about filing. So filing is the process of smoothing, shaping, and finishing the surface of metal using a metal file. So, syempre, pagkahuman dyan o cut sa mga metals kay musunod na dyan ang filing. So, ang filing is kanang makasmooth siya sa mga edges or sa surface kay na may possibility nga makasama siya kay syempre i-cut na nimo sa mga metals kay hait naman siya o kanang rough siya so needed siya i-file. So natay common tools and equipment sa filing. So first is flat file. So flat file used for smoothing flat surfaces. So ang kaning flat file of course pang kuan gani siya sa mga kitahay ang metal is rough siya so needed nimo siya i-straight or i-flat so kailangan nimo mo gamit og flat file para mo mas mo smooth siya. Then second is round file. So round file used for enlarging holes or smoothing curved surfaces. So ang kaning round file is kuan siya pang curving o kanang needed ipang enlarge ang mga holes. So kitahay na ay mga buho-buho sa kanang metals then na may uban nga dili accurate ang holes niya so needed jud padakan para masakto. So need magamit ka og round file para mas mo kuan siya. Then lastly is half round file. So it is used for both flat and curved surfaces. So pwede ni siya sa duha sa flat surfaces o sa curved surfaces. So pwede na kagdili na mag-need atong flat file o round file kayo na naman kay kaning half round file. Okay, so importance of filing. So it helps remove sharp edges, improve accuracy of shape, and make metal safe to handle. So as what I've said earlier na ang filing is very important kay waman ta hibaw nga ay mga accident no so kay after sa cutting kay ini-cut kay naman jud na tendency nga hait man jud na siya so dapat nimo siya i-file para mas smooth siya ay baka mas makakuan siya maka-prevent sa mga accident. So let's move on to the next topic, which is drilling. So drilling is the process of making holes in metal drill bit, and then these holes are used to insert screws, bolts, or rivets to connect metal parts. So, kaning drilling is, for example, kaning one kanino kaning open. So, aron na attach ni siya sa bumbong. So, igamit na rin siya og kanabang drilling para makahimo og holes din ato i-insert screws, bolts, or rivets para ma-attach ang bolta. Then, common tools and equipment for drilling. First is hand drill. So, hand drill is a manually operated drill used for drilling tasks. So, from the word hand. So, it means kanang manual siya, wag siya nagamit o kanang electric powered para mong gana. So, liso-liso ka na. Liso-liso. Din na po, uban na hand drill is kato pag i-press sa rali mo aga ng ijang murag button and then mo under na siya. The next is electric drill. A power tool used to drill holes quickly and efficiently. So, it rotates the drill bit using an electric motor, allowing user to drill through metal with less effort and more precision. Electric drills are commonly used in workshop and construction projects. So, electric drill is mas paspas mo siya compare sa atong hand drill kay kani hindi na makapag-use sa imong hand. So, di ba, madugay o ganang liso-liso is how yun madjud ka no? Mukha na masakit ang mukha mo. Unlike sa electric drill na inigsaksak na sa kuryente is mo gana na si Jordan yan. And then mo dun permi ka na gamiton for kanang mga workshops and construction projects. The next is drill bits, cutting tools used when drills to create holes in metal. So, drill bits katong ito isok-sok sa atong drill bag, katong straight. So, muna si Jay gamiton para magkahimo ka og holes sa kanang imong baragan. The next is center punch, used to mark the exact spot where the hole will be drilled. So, muna gamiton para makahibaw ba ka asa nimo asa ka dapat maghimo og kanang hole. Bijang i-mark ang kanang exact spot. The next is bench vise, used to hold the metal firmly during drilling. So this marks kanang guides the drill bit and prevents it from kanang slipping or moving away from the intended spot. So ensuring accurate drilling kanang maghimo kag kanang pagkitay magbangag na ka ay mubutan ka kanang mark. So aron ba dili mo hiwi inig ko ani mo dili mo so siya ang mo secure sa kuan para straight ang. Then importance of drilling. Drilling is important because it allows metal parts to be assembled or connected using fasteners such as screws and bolts. So it allows kanang components to be mounted, attached, or aligned properly in mechanical structures. So accurate drilling improves the kanang strength, stability, and durability of metal assembles. So without proper drilling, it would be difficult to connect metal parts effectively. Safety practices and metal working. So when performing metal working processes, so it is important to consider the safety of the workers or students nga mo mag hands-on activities. So, what are the mga safety practices? So, first is wear safety goggles. So,
to protect the eye from metal chips and debris nga katabang o lagpot samtang nag-drill ka. And then, use gloves when necessary to protect the hands from sharp edges kay what if inigunit mo na sharp ba and then masamad ka or matusok imong kamot. And then hold tools properly to maintain control and avoid ganan. The next is secure the metal material before working. So to prevent and from katong moving again para na dili magduhag ini drilling. And then last is keep the workplace clean and organized to avoid hazard. So after nimo mag-drill, dili ra nimo karabang diyaan ang imong ang place nga imong gi-drillan, dapat manghilod jud ka para ma-avoid ang hazard sa katang sunod. And then following these safety rules helps prevent accidents, protect workers, and ensure a safe and efficient metal working environment. So that's the end of our discussion.
Any question before we proceed to our performance or group performance activity? Any questions, guys? None so far. So now let's proceed to the group activity. So wait, I will count on this side. Even that group first. 8, 9. Okay, na rin job? Okay. So I have here a Manila paper and a black sheet of paper. Then, ang inyong buhaton is inyong ibutang sa cutting, filing, and drilling. Yes, kung ato siya nabilong. Kamu na yung bubutang dire, pitahay ang hakso. Asa mo na siya nabilong, then ka na. And then, paunhanay mo og human. Then, ipilit ninyo diri sa atubangan. And then, iniguman ana, you will explain kanis. Explain mo si Jam, kanis si Jam. Kung saan, i-Jam function. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ang kanang kinsay makauna is na ay plus 3. Then, ang makauna is plus 3. Then, ang dapat mong check is plus 3. And then, sa participation is na ay 10 points. Okay. In-circle sa mo, circle sa mo. Form a circle sa mo diha. Form a circle, guys. Guys, isuwat na namin yung dayon para hindi siya puno. Diretso na guys. Diretso na lang. Paunhanay nila. Kung kinsay makauna na ay plus 3. Erase out and on. Start na guys. Hindi nga lang mo nag-ikon. Okay, ako isuwan na. Start na.
Dito ka tingnan mo.
Ipakita na lang yun.
kay nag...
Kuya Jay, kantahan natin.
Ayun lang sa... Kindly write the members group 1 and pass your Miss Gavion. So what's up? Papers, yung paper has Ganyan na lang hindi quiz, i-activate mo kung sa mga group. Ano mo? Butang din lahat tayo. Ayun na yung tamsa. Hindi ka quiz. Ayun na lang. Kung dyan tayo nag-quiz, i-activate na your chairs na ba? Arrange your chairs. Classmate mo din siya ha. Okay. So we have one representative of group 1. We have Jake Lisa.
Yung cutting, filing, and drilling. So sa cutting, dahil ang grinder. So ang grinder is used siya to cut ng mga thick metals. Then hacksaw, o sa saya pa, bastos out, is used to cut metal ng labas. The metal shears. So gamitin na siya pang cut o ka ng mga galing ang flat na edge. Then bench vise is both na siya cutting o drilling kay sa iba lang express is mo na siya ipupuno sa metal kung mag-cut ka. Then also sa drilling code is gamitan mo siya pang upong para bangag. Then sa filing, ang flat file is used just to smooth metal ng flat metal. Then ang ground file is used to enlarge holes. Then ang half ground file is used just about sa flat o ground. Then sa drilling, hand drill is traditional and used by hand by ruling. Then electric drill, an equipment kanang use electric machine niya para paspas ang niyang pagbangat. Then drill base is sama sa screwdriver na isang sa tunoy, sila na ako na electric drill na isang sa tunoy, bata niya for shipping. Then center punch is mo ni siya ang tibay ang butang og mark ng malihan kung asa ka mabangan. Then bench vise is mo ni siya ang pugong sa metal ng drill mo. And that's all.
Give a round of applause. Sakto ba? Pamutang dire? Round? Sakto?
Yes.
Okay. How about the group 2? Who is your representative? Dali, Darrell. Stand up. Stand up. Explain.
So, natay tulugan sa topic gani which is cutting, filling, and drilling. So sakso gani which is used for cutting kanya na metals gani which is kanang mabilia nga atong pakita gani sa kanang structures. And then metal shears mo tong kuan gani kanang panggunting sa kanang ng nigpis gani nga mabilia. O ba na kanang gunting mo gani bang nasa kanang sagbot gani nasa babaw kanang gunting mo. Pungod ba na din? Gas cutter. Gardening scissors. Gardening scissors. So sa angle grinder for which is kanang pangkuan siya kanang pagkat siya sa mga thick metals gani. And then sa bench vise which is katong pagkapit gani. Sa flat file, sikat na ito.
Metal.
File gani, muna ka lang, file, kanang papakamis to smooth landing, hindi work, smooth din sa kanang edges sa kanang kuan sa metal din, yung ground file, patay na nito. Ay, hanggang ba? Oo, talaga bang pwede mo pa ba ka lang kapatay mo ka lang kung pairan gani sa kanang taas ko ba uli gani sa chef
gabas.
Adik ka na bang kaya mo magluto gani no kutsilyo niya taas gani gani mo pa ba na dili pag ano pairing bro pairing ano ibang hindi ha pag mo ano pairing kay ano so kaya sa kutsilyo ba pairing sa
Wala ka pairan ba?
multi-purpose. And sa drilling yan dapat sa drill. So which is kayo sa reporter gani na manual gani, manual nimo and then sa electric drill gani, pa siya kung gamit siya electricity, pwede ni siya reverse gani, pa-clockwise and counterclockwise depende sa paano ni gani switch gani sa drill na sa pala sa babaw and then drill bits. Wala ka lang sok ka nila mo para maka taray different types of beads ka depende sa ano mga gamitan. Ay concrete na po yung pangkuan, ay pang-concrete na po yung pang-metal and then center punch mo tayo ka ng kuan ka na ilangan kung masa ka magbuo and then sa kuan bench vice sa kuan na same na sa cutting ha. Hindi mo to hold ka na ang kanang imo i-drain.
Okay, very good. So, ang group 1 is na ay
Last points.
pinani ka points? 15 na. Kaya 10 points man sa 12 points. 12 sa group 2. Group 2. Then, ang ire is 15. 12 plus 3. Kaya sila may nakauna. So, 15 na sila. Yes. Okay, so now let's move on to the quiz. So get 1/4 sheet of paper. Just sa ibabaw sa inyong paper, ibutang ang inyong group asa mo na below. Yes, isuwat po ang points ninyo class. Hanggang na rin. Lian. Maklaro na ba na sa likod or na? Maklaro? Nakamo pa. Maklaro guys? Yes po. 1 to 5 only.
Dari B.
Number B na B. B na siya. A, B, C. Mali. Exchange na lang sa katapat.
Pag-check naman na kadali naman
Isa.
po.
Sige
Kung
po.
ano mo?
Dali ah.
Pwede na siya mag-good siya mo.
Loko, kaya mo, Jake.
1 minute plus.
B na.
Ate ko.
Nakunin si Kuya Jay.
Okay na mo.
Okay na? Wala? Okay, raise your pen. Huwag pen, guys. Kuha na. Kumana mo? Okay, exchange. So your exchange. Exchange partners. Okay na? Okay na ka, Jay? So, ako na naman yung mukha bubasa. So, number 1, it is the process of shaping, cutting, and modifying metal materials to create useful objects and parts. What is the answer? D. Okay, correct. So, number 2, what process is used to divide metal into smaller pieces? A. So number 3, what process is used to smooth rough metal edges? Filing. So number 4, what process is used to create holes in metal? A. Drilling. So number 5, it helps worker prepare the metal to correct size and shape needed for a project. A. Huh? Correct size and shape needed for project. Shape?
Hindi, kay umukat ka kay Tara, kay correct na shape. Diba? Isang
Naman. Sa kanya, ang ingon ka din sa tanawa sa ano ka, PPC. Yes po. Yan, point. Dahil sa ibutang sa inyong kuhan, ibabaw. Kindly collect the papers. Pag-indicate mo sa mga kunana, ang inyong group na rin sa imabaw. Sa inyong kong class, boys.
Group 2, ano yung ahap?
Pwede, kasi pupunta mo sila yun. May number na saan?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Okay na, everybody settled down. First sabi, kay muhatag kong assignment. So, your assignment para sa next meeting is identify 5 tools you found in your home. Mangita mo 5 tools in your home, whether they are cutting, filing, or drilling tools, and write their uses. Okay? Take note na.